How to redeem gift codes on DramaBox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to redeem gift codes on the DramaBox app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up the DramaBox app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you're logged in, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then from here, you have different options like watch history, on rewards, gifts, help and feedback, settings, and more. So you just want to head over to the gift section right here. And then you will have an option to enter the free gift code. So if you have any valid gift code or redeem code, you can just enter the code here. As you can see here, here are a few tips given. So the redemption code can only be used to redeem free rewards and cannot be used to redeem coins or membership. The same code can only be used once per account, and each code has a validity period which can only be redeemed within this period. So you have to keep in mind of all of these stuff, and then simply enter the code, click on redeem, and you will get the free gifts. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.